Hey guys, today we have a light and fluffy cheesy scrambled eggs recipe. So let's get started. We're gonna start off by cracking our eggs open. We're using 7 eggs for this recipe. And once we crack all of our eggs, we want to beat it. We want to whisk it well, okay? We're gonna whisk our eggs very, very well. Once we know that they're whisked, we're gonna pour in our light cream. We're using about 1.5 tablespoons. Don't forget to share this video out. So we wanna whisk it some more. And once we know that we have whisked it and whisked it well, we've done our due diligence with our whisking. Now it's time to add our seasoning. And you know we like our things well seasoned, but we're keeping it simple today with salt and pepper. That's all we need is some salt and pepper. And believe me, these are going to be the best eggs that you have tasted. We have to make our cheesy eggs cheesy. We're using American cheese because it is subtle and creamy. You can use your favorite cheese. So we're gonna add our butter to our pan. We wanna make sure that the pan is well greased so that it doesn't stick, because eggs tend to stick. We want to keep it on medium heat for a slower scramble so that our eggs can be nice and creamy and luscious. All right, so now we're pouring in our eggs. And like I said, we're doing a slower scramble. We're using our wooden spatula to pull the eggs. We want to pull the eggs nice and slowly. I tend to like a softer egg, and that's why, like I said, we're doing it on medium heat. So we're adding our American cheese. Yes, we have to pull it apart and add it. And it's going to take a little longer for the cheese to melt, but that's okay. That's okay. So you see how the egg is gathering together. So we're just going to fold our eggs over, fold our eggs over, fold our eggs. We don't want to mix it, right? Because we're trying to make these light and fluffy and creamy at the same time. We have our eggs. Yum, they are ready. Perfect and ready for your breakfast table. You can always cook it longer for a harder egg if that's your preference. Here we have it, our perfect, luscious, cheesy scrambled eggs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit us at bnbreviewsit.com. Take care. Bye.